Joy of Life Season 2. Genres comedy, romance, wuxia, fantasy. Episodes 36. Fan Xian, the illegitimate son of the finance minister, found love with Lin Wan Er, the daughter of the princess royal. They wanted to live peaceful lives, but a scheming prince plotted his demise. Fan Xian was forced to fake his death to escape certain doom. Now, he has decided to return to learn the truth behind a dastardly conspiracy. Can he break through the web of lies and deceit to expose the plotters, and live happily ever after with his beloved bride? Guardians of the Dafeng. Genres comedy, romance, wuxia, fantasy. Episodes 40. The modern office worker Yang Ling unexpectedly enters the fantasy-filled Dafeng dynasty and takes on a new identity as Xu Qian, a night watchman known as a copper gong responsible for supervising officials and solving cases for the people of Dafeng. Using his modern knowledge, scientific understanding and reasoning skills, he successfully cracks one bizarre case after another, earning the title of Dafeng's top investigator. In this world filled with monsters, magic, complex human relationships, and hidden dangers, he and his like-minded companions bravely face challenges, willing to sacrifice themselves to fight against the dark forces within the court. Together, they speak up for justice and the people, united in protecting the peace and stability of Dafeng.
Blossom. Genres: historical, mystery, romance, fantasy. Episodes 34. After losing her mother, Dao Chao became disillusioned with love and family, retreating to a remote village to study and protect her estate. One stormy night, she helped Song Mo, disguised as a merchant, protect the orphan descendant of Duke Dingguo. This fateful encounter led to their paths intertwining as they each faced personal struggles, Song Mo with his family's downfall and Dao Chao with malicious rumors of an arranged marriage. Given a second chance, they slowly grow close, overcoming distrust and falling in love. Together, they navigate political turmoil, uncover secrets, and support each other through life's challenges.
Fangs of Fortune. Genre: romance, wuxia, fantasy. Episodes 26. The story revolves around a powerful demon who desires death but refuses to passively accept his fate, leading to a rebirth. Several young individuals, brought together by fate, embark on a journey across vast lands and realms in search of passionate love. The Legend of Shen Li. Genre: romance, wuxia, drama, fantasy. Episodes 40. The ancient gods died, and there is only one last god in the world, Xing He. Rumor has it that this god of action has lived alone in the heavens for tens of thousands of years, ruthless and lustless. In the battle of the immortals and demons, he turned the tide by himself, and since then, the man has been swept away, and his traces are hard to find. Hundreds of years are just a click away. As the queen who was born with a pearl in the devil world, Shen Li's life was bright and dazzling. But on the occasion of her 1,000-year-old birthday, the claws of political marriage were scratching their heads. On the way to escape from the marriage, Shen Li was beaten back to the original form of a phoenix and fell to the world with injuries. When she was seriously injured and comatose, the mortal hacker treated her as a fat chicken, plucked all the hair from her body, and locked her in a cage for sale. The fate of the two is tightly linked by a seemingly casual transaction.